Probably helping out a little bit in the turns here. As they come across the line, we got fender to bumper. It's close. All right, give it up for the Alfa Romeo. All right.
But the guy gave me my money.
Who thinks the McLaren's going to take it against the Charger? Yeah, you do.
Yeah, there it is. That's the true potential of the McLaren.
Orange underglow.
Yeah, things moving pretty good. All right, pull out the next pair.
Yes.
Oh, yeah. I feel like the town country can come back.
Come on, counting.
There we go.
Come on.
There we go.
Come on. Come on. Oh, he's blocking him.
Yes!
Yes.
Let's hear it for your favorite minivan of the night.
No way.
Wow. Wow. I am just impressed. What a win.
Now that C8 on his last one got a little sideways in turn 3-4.
Yeah, hopefully he keeps it together. There we go, put her back in drive, yep.
Good race right here. Let's see it.
Oh, the C8's cruising it out. He's not even pushing it.
Oh! In the grass.
That's a penalty. Firebird in the grass. That's a $20 penalty.
Oh, we might have missed that 1-2 shift. That Alfa Romeo automatic and bone stock. That Camaro sounds like that full exhaust system. Maybe. Oh, coming in hot through turn 3. Is it going to be enough? Oh, coming. He's coming for him. Not going to be enough. Give it up for the Camaro. Moving on.
I asked the girl, I said,
in the McLaren having no issues getting off that line. The GTI is going to probably give it all a go. It is not going to be enough on the back straight as the McLaren has 3 or 4 car lengths going through turn 3 and 4. The McLaren moves on.
Yeah, I'm telling you, that McLaren's fast. All right, here we go.
I'm crossing my fingers for a Cinderella story right here. Miracle Mile, baby. Get your lighters out, folks.
Oh, you saw him?
Here we go. And the van is off. The C8 waited. Here we go.
Defense, minivan, defense. Defense!
Oh! No!
the Camaro versus Marcus in the McLaren GT.
Camaro's keeping up pretty good. Oh, brother, understeer. Nice. Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, in the finals of the losers bracket, we have the McLaren GT and the twin turbo Sissio Performance C8. Here we go. For $200.
Oh no, this is, yes. Both of them off the line at exactly the same time.
That even into turn one. Oh, McLaren's going in fast. Oh, he kept it off. Wow. I thought that McLaren was getting a new paint job.
Bro, that is what carbon ceramics do for you. Those carbon ceramics saved his life.
Let's hear it for the McLaren and the C8. That's our losers bracket. All right, here we go, guys. We got a quick intermission.
Dude, and he took his off. He put a race quit sticker over his.
Unbelievable. True car guys right here. Hold on. I'll read the VIN number. Oh, he taped the VIN number. Wait a second. I'll get it from the door. It's locked. It's welded shut. Smart guy here. Okay, guys, we are back. We got the rental car class pulling up. We got 2 Altimas. Let's pull them up and run them. Yeah, I'm surprised neither of them heated up those tires. Here we go. First pair rental class. Oh, brother.
What, does he have the hybrid one? Dude, it's in valet mode.
Oh my gosh. That guy's done. I did not think that was possible to be that slow. What's up? Brother, what the hell?
What happened, bud?
Oh, you're in limp mode? Well, I got the Mustang. Here we go. Oh. Mustang for the win. Uh-oh. Challenger on the outside. I feel like the guy in the Challenger is about to get bold. Oh, bold. He's getting bold. Mustang gets it. All right, let's pull up our winner Altima. All right, here we go. Finals for the rental car. Yeah, too easy for the Mustang. Too easy for the Mustang. All right, let's hear it for our Mustang rental car enthusiasts. Pull them up, pull them up.
Who wants to go 4 wide at Spectator Drags right now?
All right, everyone get ready. Here we go.
4 wide.
Oh, clean Altima start.
Yes. The Mustang guy has one hand out the window. A little cocky there. The silver Altima. Come on.
Oh, brother! Oh! Yeah! Altima wins it.
Wow. Give it up enough for the silver ultimate in the comeback round.
So that last one didn't really count for any.
Okay. There it is, off the line. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. He dove right in there. See, the Tesla doesn't really pull on the Porsche on the straight like some of the other cars.
He's like, again.
Here it is. Oh! I think he just jumped him a little bit. Yeah, we'll let it go. This is just for fun. Look at that. It actually holds its own pretty well on the back. Oh, they're both sideways. They're both sideways. Wow. Cleetus four-wheel drifted that turn 3 to turn 4 connection. Very spicy.
Who's that coming out first? Is that Richie again? Yeah, Richie. Go get that rental car. Look at Richie throwing that thing in there.
All right. And Ultima's doing what he can, but the Mustang is taking it easy on him. Let's do this, dude. Yeah, I got 5. Let's do this. Make some noise, Freedom Factory! The Blazer picked up a position. Going head-to-head with the Camaro. Trying to dive bomb the inside. Are you running? Down in 5 laps. Wow. Oh. The hard body. Got him on the inside. Is he going to be enough to come out of turn 4? This is a very good match here at the front. Wow. One lap to go. The Camaro taking the win. Saves it! Give it up for the hard body. That was pretty awesome.
I know. It's like, what is going on here?
Wow. That guy ain't got much time.
There's no tire.
That Honda's fast. that was a pretty close race. That was actually pretty good. That was a great launch from Kyle. Wow. Dude, he's hanging with him on the back straight. Wow. That thing is fast. Put your hands together for Kyle hanging with the 911, man. Dude, Cleetus is like a kid on Christmas with his new toy right now. Let me at him. Oh my God. Cleetus got him, but not by much. Oh, Cleetus is going for the inside. Oh, wow. Very close. These guys are having the time of their friggin' lives. I'm ready to rip. He's had him on the jump. Now these cars have very similar mods, both 911 Turbo S's, which means they are turboed and all-wheel drive. Taking the inside line, both of them are really not leaving enough on the apron for either of them to pass. And Cleetus takes on the win against another 911 Turbo S. All right, we got a couple more. Yeah, you.